So what are the key zones, if you like, of Facebook? Right, you've got your personal page, there's business pages, there's advertising, there's groups, etc. Kind of lay out the map for me a little
Sure.
bit, will you?
Great question, by the way. There is the personal profile, which when you sign up for an account with Facebook, you get what's called a personal profile. And you have to have a personal profile to, do a lot of the other things, to take advantage of some of the other functionality, if you will, of Facebook. Facebook pages, let me back up to profiles again. Profiles are not designed for commerce. So for those of us who, are interested in leveraging Facebook for business, we need a Facebook page or a Facebook group in order to be in compliance with their terms of service. And a Facebook page is a business entity. It's specifically, you can call it a Facebook page or a Facebook business page or a Facebook fan page. Those terms are interchangeable, by the way. They all mean the same thing. But a page allows us to have a business presence on Facebook. So there's SEO value in having a business page, because when people Google us, which they do, nobody really pays attention to business cards so much anymore.
Right.
Or if they do take your business card, they're still going to go to the Google machine and see what they can find about you. That's just the way people are today. So having that opportunity, when your name or your business is Googled, to show up with a Facebook presence is value-based. And of course, if you're planning on leveraging the power of Facebook ads, you have to have a Facebook page to be able to do that. So a Facebook group is either it's a closed community, if you will, where you can start to build a community around a common theme, interest level, or expertise. And so those are great enclosed places to really, really build out community versus a page. Both have their value, but they're just, different end goals, if you will. I still feel like you need a page because you want to show up with a business presence on Facebook. And again, the ads piece, if you're going to run ads, it's necessary to have the page. And of course, the Facebook ads platform is where they take our money, and we hopefully get a nice return on that. If I will say that if you understand how to use the power of Facebook ads, they are tremendous. They are an ATM machine, but they do take some marketing skill.